Ever dreamt of your dad and woken up wondering what on earth it meant? It's a super common dream, but its meaning is much deeper and more powerful than you might think. In the world of dreams, seeing your father isn't just about your relationship with him in waking life. It actually represents the aggressive, action-oriented quality of your superconscious mind. Now you might be asking, what is the superconscious mind? Think of it as the part of you that your spirit uses in higher dimensions, like the fifth dimension. This part of your mind has two sides, a feminine, receptive side, and a masculine, aggressive side. Dreaming of your mother often relates to the receptive side, but your father, he symbolizes the masculine side, the part of you that supplies the rest of your mind with divine life force energy. So let's break that down. The purpose of your superconscious mind, its feminine side, is to hold the blueprint for your soul's journey and your life's purpose. It's patiently waiting for you to pay attention to it. But to actually live out that purpose, you need energy, right? That's where the masculine side, represented by your father in dreams, comes in. Its job is to flood your entire being with the life force energy needed to achieve your goals. Have you ever felt that incredible, thrilling rush of excitement? That deep inner urge to do something that just feels so right, so aligned with who you are? That's not just a random feeling. That is the life force energy from your superconscious mind, energizing and inspiring you to take action and fulfill your purpose. It's your internal power source kicking into gear. And how do we tap into this amazing source of power? The key is your breath. It is no coincidence that the word spirit comes from the Greek word spiritus and the Latin spirare, which both mean to breathe. Your breath is the physical bridge connecting you to your spirit and your superconscious mind. Every inhale and exhale is a connection to this deeper part of yourself. So the next time your dad makes an appearance in your dreams, see it as a powerful message. It's a sign that your inner source of energy is active, pushing you to pursue your life's purpose with passion and drive. It's a reminder of the immense power you hold within. Want to dive even deeper and unlock the hidden messages in all your dreams? Don't just wonder, get answers. Download the Chitta Dream Decoder now to explore the secrets your mind is trying to tell you. Thanks for watching and sweet dreams.